Now who gets it? Who gets it? Oh! Did you shoot his face, Henry? His back? You're supposed to shoot his belly or his hands or his legs? Yeah. His back? His back? You can't aim for his back.
My stomach.
That was a horrible aim.
He's looking at my stomach but has the gun up.
Henry, get Grandma. Get Uncle Russell to cock it. Get Uncle Russell to cock it. Get Grandma. Her belly. Henry, you gotta shoot bellies, not faces, okay? Who gave you that shooter? Nanny?
Get her belly.
Oh!
It's funny.
What? Yeah, that was a funny belly one. Get Papa.
Mommy, you put Papa.
You gonna shoot Papa again?
Yeah.
Oh, look! Look! You shoot his arm?
Yeah.
You got king cake on your face. You got king cake on your face. Tell Nanny you had king cake. Say I had king cake. He's like, who am I talking? How am I talking to Nanny? Oh! You missed? Get Uncle Russell to cock it. Yeah. You missed?
Right here, Henry.